Now, what is IAAS, infrastructure as a service? Now, suppose in our college or our university or in our organization, we want to launch our own web server. So, for launching the web server, we will need some physical server. Now, physical server will be having some processor, hard disk. It could be magnetic or SSD hard disk. It will have certain RAM. It could be 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, or 1 TB GB. Then we need certain operating system on that. It could be Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS, Ubuntu, or your it could be Windows 2016 server. That means if we have to launch the web server, we will need physical hardware, and on some operating system should be there. Now, when we are going to order these system, first of all, this ordering process can take a certain time. Then delivery can take time, and then installation and all the implementation, it can take some time. But now we want it quickly. So instead of purchasing the physical server, now what we will do, we will go to some organization, some cloud company. It could be Amazon AWS, or it could be Google Cloud, or it could be Azure. So we will go to that cloud company, and we will tell that company, please, we want virtual server. That means what we will be doing, we will be having one server, our one server that will be running in cloud. So infrastructure as a service is nothing. When you are provisioning your servers, it could be Windows based server, or it could be Linux based server in the cloud. So what is the advantage of that? That means it is very quick. That means if I have now decided that I want this type of a requirement, suppose I want operating system as a RHEL, and I want 32 GB RAM, and I want this type of processor should be equivalent to i7, and hard disk should be SSD, and the LAN card or network interface card should be of 10 GB capacity. So what I can do, I can go to any cloud company, and within minute I can provision that cloud. We will be going into greater detail into this infrastructure as a service cloud. And when we talk about Amazon, their EC2 service is used for provisioning virtual servers. Now the another competitor is, you can use the Google computer engine also. And yeah, now what it does, it lets you create and run virtual machines in Google's infrastructure. When we are talking about this Amazon EC2, secure and resizable compute capacity to support virtually any workload. That means lot of varieties of choices are there, which we can select when we have to launch virtual server. We will be going into very great details, how to launch Windows servers, how to launch Linux server, how to access those servers in very greater details.